Are you excited? Yes? Uh-huh. Open? Okay. So, naka-bubble wrap pa siya. So, open na natin. Wow! Wow! So, that is a gamer toy. Ayan. Ayan siya. Para siyang Game Boy. May itsura. Oh, ang galing. Just like a Game Boy. It has A and B turbo. This is the laptop.
Wow.
Wow, this is a mini laptop. Okay, let's open.
Hello, friends. Oh, that's us.
Oh,
How are you?
nagla-laptop siya.
What's your
Ang galing naman.
I think elemental
Open na natin din to. This is the tablet naman. So, which shows kasi yung mga parang educational toys up to 3-year-old. So, bagay pa kay Kenshin lahat to. Wow!
X-ray.
Yun. This is the tablet. Yan. May tablet ang baby.
Grapes. Owl. Umbrella. Let's sing. Baby.
This is a storybook rhymes. Yun.
Ang galing.
Nice.
As you see?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merry, merry, hickory, dickory, dock. The brass ran up the clock. The clock struck so much fun.
Oh, nagla-laptop oh. Yan.
So, i-visit nyo ng flagship store ng Fisher Price sa Lazada. Add to cart now! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.